I was sold for gold. My family said, "He is rich. You will live well." But I did not feel rich. I felt empty. On the wedding day, I wore silk. I wore jewels. But inside, I was only silence. He never asked what I wanted. He only paid. And so I felt like property, not a person. At first, I obeyed. I cooked. I cleaned. I bowed my head. I said nothing. But inside me, a storm grew. Because love cannot be bought. Not with coins, not with silk, not with power. One evening, I found him sitting alone. He held the gold coins in his hands. His face looked tired. He said, "These bought a bride, but they did not buy love." I froze. He opened a bag. He poured the coins back inside. He said, "Tomorrow, I will return this to your family. Your freedom is worth more." Tears filled my eyes. "Why?" I asked. "Because love is not debt," he said. "It is a gift, and I will wait for yours." For the first time, I felt my heart soften, not because of gold, not because of duty, but because of choice. And slowly I began to stay, not as property, not as payment, but as partner. Now I know this truth. Love cannot be bought. It can only be given freely. Now I want to ask you, do you give love as a gift? Or do you try to buy it? With things, with control, with fear. Remember, what is bought can be sold, but what is...
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.